the Box Squat Full ROM, ROM meaning range of motion. This depends on your height. You see I have 3 plates here and one of them down here. Taller folks, you might use 4. Shorter folks, you might use even 2. And as we've practiced the partial range of motion box squat, we could move up to the full range of motion or a full squat. So our feet are about shoulder width apart. We slightly bend the knees and push our hips back as we're folding our hips. Back is nice and straight and neutral. Our neck is in line with our spine. We're reaching forward with your hand as a counterweight for your hips going back. So you can sit completely onto the box, or for us, the plates. But even as you're sitting down, we want to keep our core or the muscles in our midsection engaged. The muscles in our legs are engaged. We're not completely loosening everything up, but you can actually sit down, pause, and bring it back up. So stand up, take a breath, coming down nice and controlled. So for beginners, I would like for you to go even slower than I am in this video. This next part, I actually put it in slow motion so you guys could see a little more clearly. The feet is nice and well balanced. We don't want to be overreaching with our shoulder or our neck or even our butt going back. And the full range of motion is right here when our knees and our hip are about leveled. Some might say a full range of motion is when we're sitting all the way down where your hamstrings are touching your calves and we're in a complete squat. But as beginners, this is more than enough range of motion, ROM, a full range of motion for the box squat.